Hello everyone, welcome to ElliottWave-Forecast.com YouTube channel. This is Henry. Today is Wednesday, December the 4th, and the time is 5 a.m. Eastern Time. So today we will be looking at the chart of the S&P here, and this is a 60 minutes chart. We can see right here that the indices is pulling back. So far, the pullback looks to be in a three wave so far. 1, 2, 3. It's a zigzag, and we are calling this rally to 3,155 as a wave 3, ending wave 3, and currently it is in the wave 4, and we are proposing this current pullback as a double zigzag. So you got a zigzag here ending W. You should be looking for a correction or a bounce in the X, and as far as the current bounce fails below 3,155, we could see another leg lower to complete a double zigzag. So that's what we're looking for right now in the S&P. So the correction can still extend lower later on as far as we remain below 3,155, but the overall kind of bias, at least in the larger degree for now, remains to be on the upside. Now, especially if you can really get another leg higher, let's say a pretty decent rally from where we are now, something like this. If we can get a decent rally like this, then that is telling us that this can still be counted as a three waves for now, right? 1, 2, 3, and therefore it is still a corrective structure, right? If it is a three waves, then it is still a corrective structure, and that means that again, the entire pullback or the entire dips still is not in the form of an impulse. In other words, there is still a possibility after this larger pullback is finished, the index can still go higher again, making a new high above this 3,155. Now looking at the 4-hour now, we could see right here, this is the August 6 low, and this is with 3 right here, which is what we saw here in the 1-hour chart. So we have a 1, 2. If you measure the extension of the 1 and 2, we could see almost 161.8 extension. So you clearly see separation and extension within this this swing here. So I think it makes sense to label it something like this, that this is some sort of a wave 3 from this low, and so that means we still can potentially go higher again once we finish this larger degree wave 4 correction. Now obviously we can even end the wave 4 here. It doesn't necessarily have to do a double zigzag, but we think based on some correlation with the other indices, there is a possibility we can still see another leg lower again, at least to do a bigger correction, even though in the larger degree still it has not really invalidated any bullish structure in the indices overall, but we can do a little bit bigger pullback here in terms of the degree. Okay, so that's the update from the S&P today. If you do like the video, please like and subscribe our channel, and also I will provide the links if you want to see more about our service in the description of the video below. See you all again tomorrow. Have a nice day, everyone.